Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security. Now tap on Face section and enter your current login method. Following that, read the disclaimers and instructions. Tap on Start at the bottom and keep your face in frame. Wait for 100% mark. Now click on OK. And finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to adjust some of its settings, go into Face again. Enter your screen lock and manage all of those options however you wish to. You can also disable Face Unlock completely by clicking on this switcher next to Unlock feature. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can enable it the same way. In order to delete your face data, scroll all the way down and tap on Clear Facial Data. Lastly, select Erase. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!